Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. So, in our today's topic, we will discuss about the preparation of the molar solutions. So, this is very common question that how we can prepare the solutions of required molarity. For the preparation of the required molarity of the solutions, we guys must know the formulas. Before the preparation of this, there are some calculations that we have to done for the preparation of the solutions. So, for the preparation of the solutions, we guys must have the mass of substance in grams. When we have the mass of substance in grams, then we will take that grams and we will take the volume of water or the volume of the solvent that we have to take, and we will take the volumetric flask that is somehow like this, and here the volume is mentioned in centimeter cube, and we have the different values for this. We may have the 50 centimeter cube volume, we have 100 centimeter cube, we may have 500 centimeter cube, and we also have the 1000 centimeter cube volumetric flask. So all these measurements have been mentioned. This is the neckline point or the edge point where we have to fill out it with to prepare the solution of required molarity. So how we can calculate the total mass of the substance in grams to prepare the solutions of required molarity. So we have here the examples for this. Example number one, we have how can you prepare 500 centimeter cube. So this 500 centimeter cube, we have the volume of the solution. So volume of the solution, we have total 500 centimeter cube, and molarity is zero point 0.2. So the required molarity for this solution, we have zero point 0.2 molar, and the solution of KMnO4 or potassium permanganate we have to prepare. So here we have to find the mass of substance or mass of KMnO4 potassium permanganate in grams that we need to find. How we can find? By using the molarity and the volume of the solution. So to find out that, first of all we will find the moles, as the moles we will find from molarity. Its formula will be molarity multiplied by volume of the solution. So here molarity we have zero point 0.2, and the volume of solution, it must be in dm cube. So by dividing it with 1000, we will get 0.5 dm cube. So we will multiply it with 0.5 dm cube, and the answer we have is 0.1 mole. So the mole we have 0.1. Now by using these moles, we will find the mass of substance in grams. So to find the mass of substance in grams, first of all we need its molar mass, because the mass in grams, it is equal to basically moles multiplied by molar mass. So moles we have, but we don't have molar mass. So the molar mass of potassium permanganate KMnO4, we have potassium we have 39, magnesium we have 55, and for the oxygen we have 16 multiplied by 4, and the answer we have, it is 158 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass. Now we will find the mass of substance in gram by using this formula, and the mass of substance, mass in grams, it is equal to moles. Moles we have 0.1, and the molar mass we have 158. So the answer we have 15.8 grams. So to prepare the solution of 0.2 molar, we need 15.8 gram, and for this preparation we will take a volumetric flask whose volume will be 500 centimeter cube. So here the 500 centimeter cube will be mentioned, that the volume of this 500 centimeter cube. First of all, we will take 15.8 grams, 15.8 grams of KMnO4 by muddying it on the mudding balance, and we will pour it into the conical flask over there, and then we will add the water up to the mark. By adding the water up to the mark and by shaking this, the solution we will have, it is zero point 0.2 molar, and the total volume of the solution will be 500 centimeter cube. Let's have another example for your better understanding. We have, if we want to prepare 25 centimeter cube of 0.25 molar copper sulfate. So here again the same method we will use for this. The given data for this we have, it is the molarity. So the molarity we have 0.25, and the volume of solution we have 25 centimeter cube. So here we will convert it into the dm cube by dividing it with 1000. So we have 0.025 dm cube. Okay, so we will find first the moles. The moles we have, it is the molarity multiplied by volume of solution, and the volume of solution will be in dm cube. So the molarity we have, it is 0.25, and the volume of solution we have 0.025, and the answer we will have, it is by multiplying 0.25 with the 0.025, 0.00606 mole. So these are the moles. Now by finding these moles, we will find the mass of substance in grams. So mass in grams, its formula is moles multiplied by molar mass. So before that, we will find the molar mass of copper sulfate, CuSO4 dot 5 water molecules as water of crystallization. So here we have copper, its atomic mass is 63.5, plus sulfur we have 32, plus oxygen we have 16 multiplied by 4, plus 5 multiplied by, for hydrogen 1 multiplied by 2, plus 16. By solving all this, we will gain 249.5 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass of copper sulfate. Now we will find the mass in grams. So the mass in grams, we have moles 0.006 multiplied by the molar mass, that we have 249.5, and the answer we have, it is basically 1.48 grams. So this is the 1.48 grams we need for this. So for preparation of this solution, we will take a conic volumetric flask whose volume will be over there, and the volume we have 25 centimeter cube. Then we take almost 1.48 grams of CuSO4 copper sulfate and pour it into it. After that, we will take the water, and we have to add the water until it reaches the edge line. Now this solution is 0.25 molar and its volume is 25. 5 centimeter cube. And this is all about today's lecture. I hope you guys understand that how we can prepare the solutions of required molarity. Then the next topic we will discuss it is the dilution of the solutions, that how we can prepare the solutions from the stock solution. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.